well complaining about the...
So today we're just looking at cup dispensers, and what we can do is we're taking a brand new one straight out of the bag that comes with our stainless steel coolers, and Tom here's got a couple of good little tips for us.
Just to be more push in that.
You just push the little
Springs metal.
springs, push them in a bit more, and so they come together, and then when the cups go in, it's going to be much easier too. So now we take the cups and we can pop them in, and they're going to just pop into the
and it's coming one.
and then it comes one at a time rather than 2, 3. So simply get the little springs and make sure they're properly together, and that way your cup dispenser will work nice and smoothly, and you won't end up with several cups at the same time.